Hello everyone, this is Professor A.C. Jadhav, Department of Horticulture, KK College of Agriculture, Nasik. Under the course of HOT 354, important part of the syllabus is study of different type of aromatic plant. So, today's topic of lecture is a package of practices for growing lemongrass. Lemongrass, which is again very important type of the and leading type of the aromatic plant. Guys, this video is only for educational purpose and not for any of the commercial use. Lemongrass. Botanical name of the lemongrass is Symphopogon flexuosus, which comes under the family of Gramineae. Plant part which are used for the extraction of the essential oil are the leaves. In a lemongrass, there are the three types of the lemongrass. Number one is East Indian lemongrass, that is Symphopogon flexuosus. Second, that is West Indian lemongrass, that is Symphopogon citratus. Third, Jammu lemongrass, that is Symphopogon pendulus. Number 1, East Indian lemongrass. It is cultivated in Kerala, Maharashtra, Assam and Uttar Pradesh. It is indigenous to the Kerala, and the oil which is extracted or obtained from this grass, it is called as a cochin oil, highly demanded, and near about 90% produce which we produce are exported. Second type is a West Indian lemongrass, which is known as a Symphopogon citratus. Origin is Malaysia and Sri Lanka. It is cultivated in West Indies. Third category is a Jammu lemongrass, that is Symphopogon pendulus. It is cultivated in Jammu and Kashmir, in Assam, Sikkim and also in Madhya Pradesh. Regarding the uses of the lemongrass, so this is the world used or worldwide identity of lemongrass, that is we use the lemongrass in a tea or for the preparation of herbal tea. The chief constituent of the oil is a citral, and it is starting material for the preparation of important ionines, that is A ionines and P ionines. A ionines use in a flavor, cosmetic and perfume, while P ionines use in a manufacture of synthetic vitamin A. In culinary flavoring in alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, in a frozen dairy dessert, in a candy preparation, in a baked food, gelatins and pudding, meat and meat products, as a flavoring agent, lemongrass are used. In a soap and detergent making, the lemongrass is also used. Oil has a bactericidal and insect repellent properties. Apart from this one, it has a great medicinal value and the medicinal uses too. Then the grass, which is again considered as a good type of the cattle feed, and we prepare the good silage from this grass, and the byproducts which remains after the extraction of the oil, these are used for the preparation of the cardboard and the papers, or also as a fuel. The varieties of East Indian lemongrass, well known variety is a Sugandhi OD-19 by Medicinal and Aromatic Plant Research Society, Odokalli, Kerala. Herbal yield of this variety is 50 to 55 tons per hectare, and the oil 80 to 85 kg per hectare. Highest or the high leading type of the oil recovery has this variety like 1.2 to 1.5%. Citral content is again great, that is 80 to 85%, and it is suitable to the all types of the soil and the climate. Second important variety is ASD-68. It is developed by the Central Institute of the Medicinal and Aromatic Plant, Lucknow. It is produced by ionizing radiation. Oil yield obtained is a 375 kg per hectare per year, and the citral content is again great, that is 90 to 92%. Third variety is a Pragati LS-48. It is again by the same research station. Through the clonal selection, this variety is developed from the OD19. Oil content is a 63 to 86% citral. Other varieties are Kaveri, Krishna, etc. Then the varieties of the Jammu lemongrass, that is RRL-16, Praman, VKP25, then Charharit, etc. Climatic and the soil requirement. As a tropical plant, hardy and grow under the variety of condition, the most ideal condition are the warm and the humid climate with a plenty of the sunshine and rainfall of 250 to 280 centimeter per annum. Uniformly distributed type of the rainfall is good, and also the optimum temperature of 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, particularly good for oil extraction or the oil recovery. Regarding the soil, hardy and drought resistant crop, it can be grown from poor soil in a hill slope to the good quality soil. Means wide range of the soil we can used for the cultivation of lemongrass. Soil pH ranging from 4.5 to 7.5 means it can tolerate the wider range of the acidic soil too. As it has a good soil binding nature, they can be grown as a vegetative cover over the naked and eroded slope. Method of propagation. It is propagated by means of the seed and also by the slip. Slip propagation is better than the seed. So first one, seed propagation. In a nursery, the seeds are formed, particularly the seeds develop on the plant in the month of November and the December. Then the seeds are collected in January, February and sown at 10 kg per 25% nursery area for 1 hectare. Nursery beds are prepared and sowing is done during April-May. After sowing, nursery bed are lightly irrigated. Seedling will be ready within 60 to 75 days when they attain 5 to 7 leaf stage and height of 12 to 15 centimeter. Then we can use this seedling for transplanting on the main field. Second method of propagation is slip. This is the simplest method and mainly or commercially used. Mature type of the clump is divide. These slips are treated for the rooting, for the fast root initiation also with by using the fungicides also. Then rooted slips are used for the propagation or planting. Field preparation. The land is clear of underground vegetations and leveled. The layout which we can adopt for cultivation of lemongrass is ridges and furrow. The planting should be followed in a rainy season, particularly in the month of June, July, at the spacing of 60 by 45 centimeter. Then the slip from the old clumps can also be used for the propagation. So we should place near about 2 to 3 slips per hill during the plantation practice. Then the manuring and fertilizer application in lemongrass. So at the time of the land preparations, amount of the farmyard manure we should incorporate. In addition to this one, 150-50 kg of NPK per hectare should be applied. Then irrigation. Only in a low rainfall area, 1 day interval up to the 1 month after planting and then 7 to 10 days interval we should maintain. Irrigation should be followed as per the soil condition, as per the climatic condition. Then proper irrigation can help or enhance the herbage production in this crop. Harvesting of lemongrass. The crop is harvested 90 days after planting and subsequently it is harvested at 50 to 55 days interval continuously. The grass is cut at 10 centimeter above the ground level and 5 to 6 cutting can be taken within a year. Depending upon the soil and climatic condition, the crop can be retained in a field for 5 to 6 year also. Regarding the yield performance of lemongrass, average oil yield on first year of production it is 25 kg of oil per year per hectare. On second year it increased up to 80 to 100 kg oil per year per hectare. In a rainfed condition again the yield performance is up to 80 to 100 kg of oil per year per hectare, while in a irrigated conditions it is 150 to 200 kg of oil per year per hectare. Oil is extracted by the steam distillation method and oil constitute is a citral that is 80 to 85%. So this is about the detailed cultivation practices and uses of lemongrass. Thank you. Thank you very much.